Today we'll be installing the SEAT-592 dual golf bag holder on the back of my golf cart with these great instructions from Extreme Kartz. First thing we'll do is unbox it, get everything ready to go. These instructions are available from Extreme Kartz. They weren't included in the box, but one quick email and they were in my inbox and ready to go. So we have our parts laid out. All ready for installation. Step one, simply put the frame on the back of your cart. Frame slides on very easily. 3 contact points, one at the top and one on each side. Using this set of hardware, we slide the arm onto the top, noting the notch. It can only go on one way, and attach the arm to the top bracket. The hardware to use to attach the arm to the frame is labeled H1, and the bolt head and nut are 13 millimeter. Next step is to attach the clips to the middle arm frame using the H2 hardware and a 5/32 Allen wrench for the bolt heads. The holes in the arms are threaded, so you just put them right on through to hold the clips in place. Like the top arm, note the direction of the clip to make sure that the clip will hold the strap once you have it installed. Now both sides are installed. Before completely tightening down the clips on the lower arm, I'm going to install this rubber guard on that lower arm for 2 reasons. 1, to get it tucked behind the clips here, and 2, the strap, which goes through this hole here, will have to go through the rubber gasket as well. So we'll put that on before we continue. There we have the rubber gasket on to protect the arm, tucked in and bolted under the clips. Just simply used an awl to make a hole for the bolt that holds the strap in place, which we'll do next. To secure the strap, we'll use hardware H3 per the instructions. Thread the bolt through the gasket and into the threads in the arms. The bolt head requires a Phillips screwdriver, and the nut on the back is 10 millimeter. Belts and suspenders, but it really holds it in tight. And there you have it. Our bag holder is installed. This bag holder really will fit any golf cart with a 24-inch bar on the back. And one of the things that I really like about this is that it doesn't block the rear view camera down below. Let's get some bags on and take a look. There we are, a couple of bags on the back. As you can see, it keeps the clubs fully accessible. And one of the things that I noted is that you can still fold the seat down and have your platform in the back and keep your clubs on the cart. This is a Cirrus 2+2, a Star EV, but again, any 24-inch bar would work for this bag holder.